Hi, it's Kai. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I filmed putting on my contacts so that you guys could see that my eyes are really green because I feel like people think I'm lying. Then I'm going to take a spoolie and comb all my eyebrow hairs up and so it could look bushy. And then I take an eyebrow pencil in like blonde and I fill in the empty parts at the end. And then I take the spoolie at the other end of the eyebrow brush and I combed it to blend it, and then I took an eyebrow gel that was in like blonde orange and filled in the front, and then I took a darker eyebrow gel and I put it on the outside part so that my eyebrows could be a gradient. So this is what they look like. And then I take the NYX brow contour and I use the side that's a concealer to fix the bottom of my eyebrows because I did it wrong. And then that's what they look like. And this is my eyebrows! Wow!